If you are a real estate investor doing 2 or more deals per month, this message is for you. In the next few seconds, I'm going to show you how real estate investors are bringing in 10 to 30 exclusive motivated seller leads every month on autopilot. And no, this isn't about cold calling, texting, direct mail, or fighting over overpriced pay-per-click leads. I bet you're like most real estate investors, tired competing with everyone else for the same seller leads, spending hours texting, cold calling, and sending direct mail only to see cost rise and quality decline. The competition is fierce, and finding motivated sellers before everyone else can feel impossible. But what if there is a way to consistently get exclusive, high-quality motivated seller leads without all of the grind, with the ability to get these leads that no one else is getting? Hi, my name's Tony Javier, owner of an Inc. 5000 rated real estate investment company, and I've been investing in real estate for over 23 years, closing over 1,000 deals, and I've discovered a lead channel that's been the most consistent and profitable lead channel in my whole investing career. This lead channel is actually responsible for a good chunk of those deals. It's not something everyone knows about, and it's definitely not easy to set up, but that's where I come in. You too can bring in 10 to 30 exclusive motivated seller leads with TV commercials. So if you want to, no more texting, cold calling, direct mail, just high quality leads coming to you. If you're serious about outpacing your competition and closing more deals with less stress, click the button below to see if your market's still available. Remember, I'm only working with 2 investors per market, so I don't want you to miss out. Ready to finally skip the stress and get ahead of most investors? Click now and I'll show you exactly how it works. We'll see you on the other side.
We're easily 551 to 576,000 in total profit.
First 30 days on TV, I feel like we crushed it.
We're getting your double digits in the first 6 weeks.
We'll be on point to do over $1 million in revenue from just TV alone.
I don't think you can go wrong with TV because the leads will be there.
The ability to attract is certainly there with television.
$30,000 profit or near $30,000 profit in 2 weeks is pretty good. And based on that, it makes me want to continue to do it.
TV ads, you set it and forget it. That message is getting out there that who you are, what you do, and how you can help people.
They know that if you're on television, you're putting yourself out there like that you're a legitimate business.
It gives you a little bit more of that celebrity status and professional appearance.